Today we're going to shoot a Sig Sauer P365. Now they make several models of this. This is one of the very first ones that came out. This one has no safety on it. And one of the problems with these guns is that they don't go all the way. You have to kick them like that. Now I have polished this area here on the pistol, and hopefully it won't stick like that where you have to hit it to make it shoot. I'm shooting Blazer 95 grain ammunition today. This is a beautiful little pocket pistol, very accurate, and let's just look at it there. It has aluminum sights on it, night sights also, but it does not have a safety on it. To get one of these with a safety on it, you have to order the bottom again here. Now the more of them today do have the safety. Let's see if I can keep the quail out of the way here. Now I'm test shooting this one today because I had some trouble with it. It wouldn't go all the way, so I polished it. Now let's see if I need to polish it more or whatever. Well, it didn't malfunction whatsoever. Let's do it again. Now also, you can get these magazines with a long bottom on them there where you can hold on to them better with your fingers. This one was a short one that we just shot. Now see, that didn't quite go all the way, so I'll punch it. My little polishing job must have done some good. Got some of the bullets up here so I don't have to chase them off the ground. That's good. Try one more magazine here. This magazine is a long magazine also. Let me set this down so I can show this to you. This is a short magazine. It's easier in your pocket, but this one you have more to hold on to. This one you've got less. So for accuracy's sake and easier grip, you can use this one. That one actually had 12 in it. This is what I polished down in there. I polished that, and hopefully it's working better. I didn't have a failure whatsoever at the time. The last time I shot it, it failed almost every time until I polished this. Now I'll show you the difference in the magazines up close. That's a short magazine that fits in your pocket Takes up less room and less noticeable. This one though, as you can see, you got more of a grip with it on the handles. Very wonderfully manufactured pistol. The only thing I've found wrong with it was that sticking a little bit like that. And my polish job, it looks like it did a good job. Sig Sauer P365. 380 subcompact. There's a 9mm also. 9mm is a little bit larger, and the one I has double ambidextrous safeties on it. This one does not have safety at all. They do make one that has that now. Please like and subscribe and come back again. I hope you're enjoying these videos.